Okay, so we're just gonna test strength first, so don't let me push you toward the floor. There we go, good. And don't let me push you toward the floor. Good. So would you say those are equal strength-wise?
Yeah.
Okay, so flip over. So how long would you say most clients will hold a stretch?
Most, like, no longer than 10 seconds.
Okay, so we'll do 10 seconds.
Okay.
So you tell me when you feel a typical quad stretch.
Alright.
About there?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Okay, now go ahead and flip back over. Let's just retest your strength again. Hold tight. Hold tight. Uh-oh. So compare that to this. Hold. So here's where you were 10 seconds ago.
Yeah.
And now here's what you got after 10 seconds. And you're getting worse every time I do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just caused your patient to be weak, unstable, more susceptible to injury, perform worse. So I know you've seen that demonstration before if you've been following me. You've seen me use a handheld dynamometer that shows you decreased force output after stretching, foam rolling, theragun, massage. So the take-home message is you need to understand that patients are coming into you because they're already inhibited. It's your job to figure out what's inhibited, reverse that. If you don't know how to do that and you want to